Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive not uploading files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to your OneDrive dashboard where we can troubleshoot the upload issue. Now, wait a moment while the login process finishes. You'll be automatically redirected to your OneDrive dashboard once everything loads. This is where all your files and folders are stored in the cloud, and it's also where we'll fix the upload problem. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left part of the screen. You'll notice a section showing your storage volume. Go ahead and click on this link to view more details about your storage usage. This is an important step because insufficient storage is one of the most common reasons why OneDrive fails to upload files. Once you click on the storage link, you'll see a breakdown of your current storage usage. Take a moment to check how much free space you have available. If your storage is nearly full or completely maxed out, OneDrive simply won't be able to upload any new files. The system needs available space to process and store your uploads. If you notice that you don't have enough free space, OneDrive will typically provide cleanup suggestions. These suggestions can help you identify large or unnecessary files that you can delete to free up storage. Follow these recommendations to create space for your file uploads. Clearing out old or duplicate files can often resolve the issue immediately. However, if you still have plenty of storage space available and your files still aren't uploading, the problem might be related to your connection or session. In this case, navigate to the top right part of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a small menu with various account options. From this menu, click on Sign Out. This will log you out of your OneDrive account completely. Signing out is important because it terminates your current session and clears any temporary glitches that might be preventing your files from uploading. After signing out, go ahead and sign back in again using your Microsoft credentials. This process refreshes your OneDrive connection and establishes a new session. Often, connection issues or session errors are the culprit behind upload failures, and a simple sign out and sign in can resolve these problems instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully troubleshooted and fixed the Microsoft OneDrive upload issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.